When making videos, we may need to blur or mosaic something. And in Videoproc Vlogger, we can do blur and mosaic effects by using two easy tools. In today's tutorial, let's have a look at how to use these two tools. Okay, let's get the video started. Our first tool is image blurring and smoothing. We can find it on the right part. Once select a video, simply scroll down our mouse to find it. To use it, we need to select this small option box next to it. Now these three setting options are activated. Let's take a look at what these three options refer to and how they work. Deviation works for controlling the color deviation of the image. Roughly speaking, it decides the level of the colors crossing the blurry boundary, which is also known as the fringe. The higher the deviation is, the more obvious the fringe looks. Coefficient decides the blurry boundary of adjacent colors. After setting the overall blurry boundary, we can tweak the blurry boundary of adjacent colors. For example, there is a huge difference between brown and white. If we set the coefficients lower than the difference between these two colors, then the boundary would be still obvious. In this case, the blur effects can affect the boundary barely. On the contrary, a larger coefficient value can blend the two colors very well. One can hard to tell the boundary. Edge threshold means the level of the blurry boundary. It decides the overall blur strength. Move the slider to the right can boost this volume. The overall blurry boundary becomes more unnoticeable the more blurry the video looks. When adjusting the image, usually, we adjust these parameters in a down to up order. First, tweak the edge threshold. Then, adjust the coefficient and the deviation to tweak the range of the blurry boundary. Put the sliders of these three to the maximum. We get the most blurry image. We can also enter the value on the box next to the slider, or press the small arrow icon to take control. Click on this small icon, we can get back to the default setting. Pixel is a second tool for making the mosaic. First, let's go to Pixel Art under Effect. Drag it onto Effect track. Like all other clips we put on a timeline, we can drag the ends to change the duration. Click on Effect. We can also adjust the detail parameters on the right Properties panel. Suppose we have multiple tracks. We can disable Apply to Canvas and uncheck the target clip. And in the setting panel of Properties, we can tweak more parameters. Pixel size is for controlling the size of the pixel. The larger pixel size, the larger the pixel box looks. X and Y decides the location of the mosaic in the video. W and H work for adjusting the range of the mosaic effect. To take this clip as an example, we can adjust the settings of X, Y, W, H to mosaic only the face. Alright, you've reached the end of today's tutorial. And if you want to know more video editing tips or what has been going on with Videoproc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in our next video. Hope you enjoyed it.